Hello, hello, hello. My name is Dominique Lewis with Finding Homes with Dom, and welcome to another home tour. Today we're in Sweetwater Hills by Pulte Homes, checking out the Medina Floor Plan. Come along with me and let me know what you think. Again, my name is Dominique Lewis, your lady in red and your new construction and relocation expert. Let's check out this community right here in Moore, South Carolina, with more information to come throughout. Let's get into it. So let's check out the Medina Floor Plan by Pulte Homes. This is the first bedroom. On this main floor, this home has 9-foot ceilings. Upstairs, it has 8. This is all a one-level home. Put that out. This is the first bathroom near the front door. Very nice. Bathtub deep. Check out the flooring. And the tile in the bathroom goes all the way up. No shortage on storage in this home. Here's a closet, the first closet. Your security system, this is where your garage will be. So you'll be coming in this way. This will be your laundry room. Very nicely decorated. Your arrival center. Look at all the space that this laundry room offers. In this closet right here, you have your HVAC system. And there's a little bit of storage off to the side for you as well. This is where your internet will be. This is your second bedroom. So what I would like to tell you what makes this special, the closet, is that this bedroom near the front door has its own bathroom. Same tile, same cabinetry as the other bathroom, but if you have a mother-in-law, a kid in college, whomever, a guest, this will be perfect because they have their own space. Here we go. So this is a study. There are a few options that you can do with this area. So you can opt to close this wall off and make this a 4th bedroom. You can also make this glass door so you can have it a study. It's totally up to you. Here are the packages that this community offers. So this one is included. This is all the things that you could get just standard. And then this is your premier package. And then here is your luxury package. So I'm gonna go back to the second one, so that now that you know what you're looking at, this home, the Medina, this floor plan right now has this premier package. So these will be from this selection. Okay, so let's keep going. All right, so this area right here, if you opted and wanted to make this a dining room area, you can have a pendant put there and this will be your dining room area. All of this is an open field, so this home is pretty standard as to what comes with it. The tray ceilings is standard. The fireplace right here is an upgrade, but I think it's well worth it. And then over here, you can opt to have a gourmet kitchen. This one does not have one. So this is standard, which I think is beautiful. I think it's gorgeous. So this community does have gas. So you see this range. Take a look at everything. It's Whirlpool appliances, and you can opt in to have, if you so choose, you can opt in to have blinds, refrigerator, stove, as well as the washing machine and dryer if you so choose. So this is just one of the floor plans in this community. They have up to 8. Amenities will also be offered in this community. So let's keep going. So before we go to the primary bedroom, do you see this window right here? This is 8-foot window pane. This is standard. It comes with it. And also let me show you this. It's a little, I'm not walking outside in this weather because it is raining today, but I still got to work, right? So this is the patio area outside. And if you can see, this is pretty big. So this is standard. I'm gonna walk out here so you can see it from here. This is like double the size of a standard patio. So this is standard. It's not an upgrade. This is the wiring, so you can add your ceiling fan. It's already pre-wired out here for you. Anytime you see those in here, they are pre-wired. So you can opt to have a ceiling fan or not. Okay, let's keep going. I honestly don't think, and here's the pantry I forgot to show you. I honestly don't think that you could go wrong with any of the packages that they have. It's just gorgeous. All right, let's go into our primary. This is beautiful. Tray ceilings. Okay, here is the primary bathroom. The flooring, the countertops, whatever you choose is going to be the same throughout the house. You have your shower. Again, the tile in the shower goes all the way up. This little area, you can make it whatever you want. Usually for us ladies, we like a little vanity to put on our makeup and get ready. Linen closet. Very nice walk-in closet. And it is carpeted in here. And then you have a separate watering closet.